How's it going, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's your boy JJ Classic, and I hope you guys are having a good Monday this week. In today's video, we're going to be reacting to Birds of Prey. So let's get right into it.
You know what a Harley Quinn is? A Harley Quinn's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. And no one gives two shits who we are beyond that.
Dang! Warner Brothers, DC.
The Joker and I broke up.
Oh.
I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Preaching to the choir.
Spectacular news! Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
Who are you guys?
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me.
He's after all of us now. None of us are walking out of here unless we work together.
What year? You gotta be kidding me.
Oh! Whoa, I didn't see that coming.
We should order pizza. Big Cosmos. Harley. Okay. I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you. Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies.
Dang! Birds of Prey!
Oh, you're that psycho chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion, bitch. Bitch? What are you talking about? For me, will you?
February 2020, baby. Seems like everything's coming out in February. Sweet. So, Birds of Prey. I'm pretty sure this is like a movie that's branching off from another movie called Suicide Squad. And if that sounds familiar, it's just when a bunch of bad guys from the DC like movies come together. It's like kind of like anti-heroes. It's kind of cool. But yeah, I'm kind of excited. Seems like a pretty lit movie. Alright guys, so I hope you liked that video. If you did, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you're new. And like always, remember to keep it classic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, what's going on guys? It's your boy JJ Classic here. If you enjoyed that video, then I know you will love these two new uploads that I just recently added. Go ahead and check them out now. Also, hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any other uploads.
Man,